Today we will understand what is Cron and how we can schedule automated jobs in Cron. So this is the document I have prepared and I will share this document with you. So first of all, what is Cron D? So it is simply a daemon in Linux system that runs in background and checks every minute to see if there is any job scheduled at that time. If there is, it performs that job, else it remains inactive. In simple, you can understand it is a background process which runs every minute, and there is one txt or log file of Crontab for a specific user, and this file is distinct for every user. That means this file is different for Oracle user, different for root user, different for any OS user. So it checks every minute, every file, if there is anything written in the file that this job is to be run in this time, so it will execute that job in that time period. So the basic syntax for any cron is 5 asterisks, which denotes some values of minutes, hour, day, year, month, and at last the command or script which you want to execute automatically. So from the left, this asterisk denotes the minutes, the second asterisk denote the hours, the third asterisk denote day of month, the fourth asterisk denotes year month of year, and the last asterisk denotes the day of week. Now in the place of asterisk we can mention either asterisk or we can mention some other numeric values as per our requirement. So asterisk is simply all possible values for all for a field, the first asterisk, as we know that it is for minute. So if we keep this as simple asterisk, so it will execute this script, whatever we have written here, it will execute every minute. Okay, like here it is for hours, so it will execute this script every hour, every minute. Okay, so this is the meaning of asterisk. And then the second option is dash. It simply is used to specify a range of values, sometimes you want to run a specific job from daily basis, but only from morning 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. so that time you will mention in hour column from 7 to 10, so it will run the job from 7 to 10 only. The comma value used to separate the different values, you want any job to run on 9 a.m. then 11 a.m. then 12, then 15, then 20, so you can mention with comma option. And separator, this is used to specify a step value. Suppose the first asterisk as to denote the minute, but you want to run at every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so you can simply create here a step, I will show you one example. 1 2 3 4 5, and suppose this is the script which we want to run automatically. So I am creating a step in minute section. So the first star is for minutes, so I will create a step of 10 minutes. So what will happen, at every 10 minutes this script will execute. So I think it is clear to you. Now there are some Crontab commands which you should know. So with the help of Crontab -e we can edit our Crontab file. With Crontab -l we can see the content inside the Crontab file, and suppose we are logged in with the root user, so we can see other users Crontab file also. by mentioning -u command. By using crontab -r, you can empty all the contents of crontab file, or you can simply say you can remove all the jobs from your crontab. Crontab I will just prompt you before removing any crontab entries, so it will ask for your confirmation. So we will run one by one to check how it's actually executes in the server. So first I have two sessions. First session is for with a root user, and another session with Oracle user. So first I will list the cron tabs. So crontab -l. So right now I don't have any cron file in root user, but if I run this in Oracle user, so I have these two entries. That means I have two jobs scheduled in my cron. So from here I think you have understood that crons are different for different user. So Oracle will have its own separate cron, and root will have his own separate cron. Okay, so the next command was crontab -e. That means to edit the cron file, like you want to change the schedule time, that is, it is scheduled every 10 minutes, you want to change to every 5 minutes, or you want to disable this job for temporary time period, like for today there is some maintenance activity schedule, and you want to comment this job so that it will not run automatically. So you can comment this line by putting hash in the beginning, so this job will not run. So you can do this by crontab -e. Okay, and like I am commenting the first job, so you can simply write here hash, so it will now not execute this line. Okay, it will exclude this script. It will go to the second script and checks the time, and it will execute at every 10 minutes. So by this way we can comment any cron job. So you need to save this file. It is simply a log file. The next command was crontab -u. So this command is used, suppose you have sudo access, then you can watch the other users cron file using this command. So I have root login, so here I want to check the cron entries of Oracle user. So I will type here crontab -u, then provide the username, which cron entry you want to see, sorry, Oracle, then -l for listing. So you see, you are able to view the jobs of Oracle user. Okay, you can also type here e, that is crontab -e, so that you can able to edit this also. Same like you can mention here r to remove the entries of Oracle crontab. So I think this portion is clear to you. Now how to schedule job with cron. So simply we can schedule job. We just need we need only two things: on what time you want to run your job, and what job you need to run, or what script you want to run. Okay, so first you need to determine the time. So here you can see that it is scheduling a job at every 15 minutes. Okay, there are some predefined variables like @hourly. If you use this parameter, so the job will run at every hour. @midnight, so the job will run at 12 AM. @daily will work like same as @midnight. @weekly it will execute once every week. At the monthly, it will run once every month. At that annually, it will execute once every year. At that yearly, works like same as at that annually. At the reboot, it execute a job once at every startup. Like here is one example also, like at the rate, then whatever command or script you want to execute, so it will execute once in a week. Now these things we have already done earlier. With Crontab-L you can list the cron jobs for the current user. Now we should adopt the habit to back up our cron job on regular basis, because suppose accidentally you have typed the crontab-r, so it will remove all the entries inside cron. And if you don't have any backup of cron, so you don't have any records that which jobs were scheduled in the cron. So it is better to keep backup of crontab, so you can simply backup your cron entries, just saving the output of your command in any backup log file. Like I am creating a backup file name cron pkp and today's date. So by this way you can take your cron backup, and you can also schedule this command also in your cron tab, so it will execute on daily basis or hourly basis or every 6 hours, whatever as per your requirement. So if you cat this log file, you will get the content of your cron. Okay. Cron permissions. This is normally not required for DBA. This is maintained by OS admins, but it is good to know some extra things also. So in Linux there are two files in etc location. One is cron.allow and another is cron.deny. So these two files actually controls the permission over the crontab file. Suppose if you see this file, go to root session, cat this file, you will see here all the list of users which are allowed by the Linux system, so that they can create their cron jobs. So right now you see there is root and Oracle user inside this file. That means root as well as Oracle user can able to use this feature to schedule jobs. Suppose if I remove Oracle user from this file, what will happen? So I will edit this file and I have removed Oracle user. I am saving this file. Okay, so now if I go to the Oracle session, this one, if here I just want to list the job, I will get error. What is the error? You, that means me, Oracle, are not allowed to use this program or Crontab. So by this way we can control the permission in the Crontab file. So suppose you have created one OS user and you want to schedule a job, and you are not able to schedule job with that user, so definitely you need to add your user in this file. So I will revert the change. I will add Oracle user. Now if I list the job, so I am able to list the job. Okay, so I hope the all the basics of cron job you have understood. Now we will create a sample job. I will show you. So I will create a job for every minute. And so first we need to create a script also. Remember, you need to mention the script name with complete path. Okay, so I will create one script here. Let's see first this script is already exist or not. Okay, it is available here. Let's see what is inside this. Okay, it's simply echo update. No issue. I will modify this script. I will echo the date to a plain txt file. Auto job output dot log. Yeah, that's it. If I run this job, it will create this log it has created. If you get this file, you will see the current time. So by this way I will come to know that okay, my job has been executed successfully. So now I will schedule this job. So this is okay. Yeah, so I will copy this, Crontab -e to edit the cron. Go to next line and paste here simply. Okay, and here you need to mention sh because it is shell script. Everything looks good. Yeah, save this. Okay, now Crontab -l. Yeah, so now we will just check this file time. So the last time is 13:28. What is the current time? 13:29. So it will execute at 13:30. So its time should change to 13:30. Yeah, you see, time automatically changed. So definitely the job will write inside this log the current time. So you see the current time is automatically written in this log file. We will wait another 1 minute to see the next time entry in this log. So we will just run lsltr. Okay, 13:30. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Yeah, 13:31. Now you see its time changed. If you check contents of this log, you will see the current time. So we have successfully scheduled a cron job in Linux for every 1 minute. So you can modify your existing job by using Crontab -e. Now if you want to change the time from every 1 minute to every 10 minutes, you can modify here 10, 20, 30, or you need to you want to change hour value or day value or month value or year value. So you can modify from here. Okay, so thanks for watching.